Hi, I'm Mike Deneau with Mobile Pressure Washing Incorporated, where we specialize in residential and commercial pressure washing along with concrete restoration, including sidewalks, driveways, parking garage structures, parking lots, shopping centers, hospitals, medical centers, hotels, and gas stations. Now, commercial buildings and residential homes professionally washed makes consumers their #1 choice. Our pressure washing system is the most effective way to clean your building exterior surface of dirt, grime, gum, oil, grease, food and drink stains, organic growth, and other surface debris. All our crews are professionally trained. We clean houses from top to bottom using low pressure and soft washing techniques that will not damage or hurt the exterior of your house. Now, we use specialized spraying nozzles that allow us to lower our machine pressures so our technicians don't chip paint or hit your home too hard. We clean hundreds of roofs every year. Facilities need to be cleaned regularly for cosmetic reasons as well as for safety and liability concerns. Prior to resealing a surface, areas also need to be prepped so a new seal will be bond correctly, adding years to its useful life. Call Mobile Pressure Washing Inc. today for all your pressure washing needs at 630-628-6122 or just visit our website www.pressurewashingservicesinc.com.